If you are a business owner like me and you create content, in this video you will see a way to save a lot of time, especially if you don't want to pay for the subtitle features of the app CapCut that I used to use, especially for the subtitles feature. This video also aims at entrepreneurs that don't do operativity anymore and just focus on content. I will show you a tool of artificial intelligence that understands audio. Here we are inside the Subtitle Edit, that is an open source and free program that allows you to create subtitles in a quite smart way. And to understand how, let's click on add waveform to add a video. In this case, I put a video with a funny face as a thumbnail that I used for my Instagram that unfortunately is just in Italian. Then we go to video and we do audio to text Whisper. Whisper, I remind you, is another tool developed by OpenAI, the same company that developed ChatGPT, that allows to transform the audio file you see at the bottom into text, and it works much better than, for example, YouTube automatic captions, because it also adds commas and more. You will see. So I select, in my case, Italian, but you select English. The model, you have to download it. It will take a while, also depending on your connection. And this tool works locally thanks to the graphic card, something that return in some of my video. If you have a recent graphic card, it works faster. If you have an older graphic card, for example, a laptop graphic card of 7 years ago, I don't really advise you to continue in this way. So I click generate and you will see that it will take around 1 minute. Of course, as I said, the more recent the graphic card and the more expensive, and the less the time it takes. Also, compared to the automatic subtitles creation of CapCut, as I said in other ways, this solution is much more precise, and for this reason I also said that you save time compared also to CapCut and other solutions, like the trick of uploading this video on YouTube and waiting like 4 minutes to have the automatic subtitles. I go to break split long lines. You see that it highlights some lines that need edit. I'm just showing you the process I do, so you also save time in that way. And then you select all the rows of the caption with the Ctrl A. You do a right click. This is an optional step. You do karaoke effect if you want. I put the color gray. I click OK. Now I do set style. I select this one that I created before this video, and now I do Asa Tools set position. This is a tricky part because sometimes this view is bugged, but if I click more or less here, so that in my case the subtitles don't cover the title and description of the video on Instagram, it will work fine. So if you click play, we see that it works. Again, 2 minutes for this video in this case. Actually, I can put also another style, that is the one with the box. You see the readability improves a bit. After you have the subtitles, you go to File, Save As, and I suggest you this extension because you can upload it on Facebook, Meta, YouTube, and so on. So that's all. You saw a very practical case where artificial intelligence helps you to decrease costs, in this case, man-hours. If you continue to follow me, you will see other practical use cases of artificial intelligence, also generative. In this case, it is not generative. But if you want instead a one-to-one call where we see, in your case, which solution of artificial intelligence we can use to increase your turnover or and decrease costs, you can book a free call with the link you see in the description. Bye and see you the next time.